Deleting your TikTok Shop Seller Center account is permanent and irreversible. Your shop, products, data, and earnings will be lost forever. Ensure all orders are fulfilled, refunds processed, and balances withdrawn first. Available in supported countries, USA, UK, Europe, etc., requires login and verification. Process takes 5 to 10 minutes, plus review 1 to 7 days. Steps in TikTok Shop Seller Center. Login. Go to sellerus.tiktok.com or your regional seller center. Sign in with your TikTok credentials. Access settings. Click account, top right. Account information or settings, bottom right in app. Unlink TikTok account if needed. If linked, go to Link TikTok accounts. Select your official account, scroll to bottom. Unlink official account, confirm. Note: probation accounts may need this to proceed. Submit deletion request. In account information, scroll to account management. Tap submit a deletion request or close shop account. New 2024 option. Enter reason, for example, inactivity. Verify identity. Enter verification code, SMS, email, or complete CAPTCHA, selfie. Confirm. Review terms, for example, no active business. Submit. TikTok reviews, email confirmation when deleted.